Alright guys, we're pulling up to United now. Pulling up to United. Service guy here. There it is, United Refrigeration. Gotta get some supplies for the job I have lined up for tomorrow. Alright guys, my first service call of the day. No cool cord. No cool. But I think I know what the problem is. Let's just make sure we open it up. Gotta make sure there's no snakes. No snakes, guys. Oh shit! Alright, no snakes. We're good. Yep. Gotta replace the contactor and this thing over here, whatever that is. Show you guys how to do it. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I have the disconnect off already. Let's just get down to business. Get down to business. Sure the wiring is correct. Alright guys, I don't want to bore you with this. Let me get this in place and we'll check the charge. I don't know if you can see it. It's pitted right where the contactor is. In this one, when I touch the wire like this, oh shit, you get shocked. But I know the shock wasn't as strong as last time, so that's why I know it's weak. That's why I know it's weak. And it's what is it? 50 plus 3, so this is about 40, so it's shot, or 39. And also, alright guys, since I was here, I replaced the capacitor and this thingamajig over here, whatever they call it, the contactor, that's it. But now these wires are such a mess. I like to do neat work, so I don't have no zip ties, so I'm going to use dental floss. It works as good, and it's the wax type too. Let me get these all together and I'll show you the final result. Alright guys, here's the final result. Every technician should have some dental floss. Look at that. Nice and neat, all these wires. Gotta trim the edges. And we should start her up now. We should start her up. Great stuff, man. Johnson's & Johnson's. Let's see if this big bad boy will start up. Let's go here to the disconnect and crank her on. Beautiful, guys, beautiful. Look at that. Now we check the charge and we're on our way. Alright guys, we got everything all hooked up, running, stabilized about 15-20 minutes now. We're looking for about a superheat of 25-26 on my wet finger calculation for the dry bulb and wet bulb. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we got. We got superheat of 27. We need 25, up and down 5. I say we call this one good, guys. We'll call this a wrap. Move on to the next job now. We'll call this one a wrap, guys. We're doing pretty good. Alright, see you in the next one.